This is my dad's Tacoma. It's a 2001. He bought it brand new, and it has 355,000 miles on it at this point. And like most Toyotas of this generation, these door handles, the factory ones last for a while. This one, the factory just broke about 2 years ago. So I just replaced it with a regular old doorman off Amazon. But the problem is it's cracked again right there. As you lift this handle, boom, it goes, and then it's impossible to get open. But I was just about to buy a new one of these when I found on Amazon this TruBuilt. And so instead of plastic, this is all metal and metal and metal. So this was about 29 bucks and these are about 20 bucks. So for $9 extra, it's metal. I'll pop this in here and see if this lasts any longer than the plastic ones. Here's that old doorman replacement I had. I've got it out. I'm going to take the lock out and transfer it to the new one. The only kind of downside is the rod retainer on this one came pre-broken. So I'll see what I can do about getting a good one out of this. If not, I'll just throw it in there and zip tie it. That's cheesy, so hopefully I can get that in. Otherwise, yeah, should be done with this pretty soon. So success. I got the new handle installed. It works perfectly. I was able to just remove that locking plastic from the old doorman that was still good and get it on there. So yeah, my son is the one who's driving this thing mostly these days, so I'll be able to get it in and out of this thing.